Sure. Here's a script for your YouTube channel FK iPhone about the 2025 Nokia 1280. It's within 600 words and includes sections on features, exterior, and a conclusion without any quotation marks, numbers, or headings as requested, --. Welcome to FK iPhone, and today we're going back in time with a twist. The classic legend is back. This is the 2025 Nokia 1280, and yes, it still refuses to die. But this time, it has been reimagined to fit today's world while keeping everything we loved about the original. Let us talk about why this little beast might be your favorite secondary phone or even your main device if you're done with endless notifications and battery anxiety. First up is the feature set. It's simple, but that's the point. No touch screen, no apps, no social media distractions. What you get is a rock-solid call and text machine. The battery life is just insane. You charge it once and forget about the charger for days. In a world where smartphones cry for power by evening, this one calmly lasts for more than a week. You can store contacts, send messages, and even play a classic game or two when you're bored. And yes, the legendary Snake game is still there. Nokia has added a few subtle upgrades to bring the phone into the modern era. There's a tiny LED torch, which is surprisingly bright. There's even support for multiple SIMs now, so you can keep your work and personal life separate. And although it's still a basic phone, the sound clarity during calls is much better than the old days. It feels refined, like a vintage car that's been restored with new internals. Now let us talk about the exterior. This is where nostalgia hits hardest. The design remains nearly identical to the original Nokia 1280. You still get that small screen and the iconic T9 keypad. But the body feels more durable now. The plastic has a better finish and the build is extremely tough. You can drop this thing 100 times and it will keep going. It's like a brick, but in a good way. The buttons feel tactile and satisfying to press. There's no need to swipe or tap here, just click and go. The screen is small and monochrome but crisp enough to read texts and check your call log. It's not made for watching videos or scrolling, and that's exactly why it's special. The phone comes in a few classic colors with a matte finish that hides scratches and fingerprints well. It fits easily in your palm or pocket and weighs almost nothing compared to the glass slabs we carry around today. So what's the point of a phone like this in 2025, you might ask? The answer is simple. It's peace of mind. It's a break from the noise. It's a reminder that not everything needs to be fast and flashy. For some people, this is the perfect digital detox device. For others, it's the ultimate backup phone. And for many, it's a slice of childhood packed into a pocket-sized powerhouse. To wrap it up, the 2025 Nokia 1280 is not here to compete with iPhones or high-end Androids. It's here to do one thing and do it well. It connects you when you need it and stays silent when you don't. If you're tired of being tracked by apps, distracted by notifications, and drained by constant charging, this little phone is your escape. It's cheap, it's durable, and it works like a charm. Sometimes less is more, and Nokia just proved that again. Thanks for watching FK iPhone. If you enjoyed this look at the modern classic, hit that like button, subscribe for more raw tech reviews, and let me know in the comments if you would ever switch back to a dumb phone in a smart world. See you in the next one. Let me know if you want a shorter version or want it in a more comedic or dramatic tone.